Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Obsessed. I am Sweta, and if you are watching me for the first time, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and follow me on Instagram. So guys, do we really need all of them or more than them? Actually, we use very few essential brushes to create our makeup looks. So today I'm gonna be sharing few essential brushes that beginners should invest in. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, first thing first, you need to invest in a good beauty blender. This little squeezy ball used to scare me a lot. I used to think I will ruin my makeup whenever I will use this, but that is absolutely not true. You will love it as soon as you start using this, but make sure you are buying a good quality beauty blender, else you will end up ruining your skin. Guys, the first brush is this one. This is by Wet n Wild. You can purchase any of your choice. This is a flat top foundation blending brush, and you need to purchase this because not every product work with blender or brush. I think to be on safe side, you should invest in a brush too. So guys, next one is a powder brush which is absolutely fluffy. You should definitely invest in this kind of brushes, like these can do multitasking. Yes, you can do your blush, powder, everything with this thing. Another brush that you should invest in is this one. This is a less fluffy and small brush for face. Yes, you can purchase this because it will help you to reach your corners like under eyes, these areas and many more. And if you want to do contouring, you can do it with this because it has a bit like oval shape. You can go with this. You can do your nose contour and bronzing and many more stuffs. Coming to small brushes, among of those three, the first one is this one. This is basically eyeshadow blending brush, but you can do your face makeup with this too. How? I will let you know. So firstly, this is flat top eyeshadow blending brush, and this is kind of curved and oval shaped one. So I would suggest you to go for these two because you can alternatively use it for your face and eye makeup both. So guys, they have different roles in your eye makeup, but when it comes to face makeup, you can use this one, this oval one, for your highlighter. You can use it for nose contouring and definitely use for eyeshadow. You can use one of them, none of them, jokes apart. You can use them for your eye look and face makeup both. So guys, here you go with the last one. This is a flat brush. You can use it for many things. Yes, ask me what. Eyebrows, you can do your eyebrows with it. Make sure it is very flat and very thin. You can apply your eyeshadows with it. You can apply your shimmers, glitters with it. You can line your lips, apply lipsticks with it. What not? So go purchase this one. So that's it for today's video, guys. Those were the only options that I wanted to suggest to you all. And yes, do not forget to let me know in comments if it was helpful and if you want to see a demonstration video from my side with only those 6 brushes. Okay, so let's not drag this video any longer. See you all in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and yes, do not forget to subscribe.